Now, I'm going to ask questions about a guy named Chris. Is Chris watching TV?
Is Chris watching TV?
No, Chris is not watching TV.
No, Chris is
Is he
not
taking
watching
a shower?
TV. Is he taking a shower?
No, he's not taking a shower.
No, he's not taking
What
a
is he
shower.
doing?
What is he doing?
He's reading a newspaper.
He's reading a newspaper.
Is he writing a book?
He's writing a book.
No, he's not writing a book.
No, he's not writing a book.
What is he doing?
What is he doing?
He's reading a newspaper.
He's reading a newspaper.
Is Chris reading an article about a robbery?
Is Chris reading an article about a robbery?
No, Chris is not reading an article about a robbery.
No, Chris is not reading an article about a robbery.
Is he reading an article about a mountain?
Is he reading an article about a mountain?
No, he's not reading an article about a mountain.
No, he's not reading an article about a mountain.
Is he reading an article about a beach called Whitehaven?
Is he reading an article about a beach called Whitehaven?
Yes, that's correct. He's reading an article about a beach called Whitehaven.
Yes, that's correct. He's reading an article about a beach called Whitehaven.
Is Chris still reading the newspaper?
Is Chris still reading a newspaper?
No, Chris is no longer reading the newspaper.
No, Chris is no longer reading a newspaper.
Is he thinking about something?
Is he thinking about something?
Yes, that's right. He's thinking about something.
Yes, that's right. He is thinking about something.
About buying a new television?
Is he thinking about buying a new television?
No, that's not what he's thinking about. He's not thinking about buying a new television.
No, that's not he's thinking about. He's not thinking about a new television.
Is he thinking about moving to a bigger house?
Is he thinking about moving to a bigger house?
He's not thinking about moving to a bigger house.
No, he's not thinking about moving to a bigger house.
What is he thinking about?
What is he thinking about?
Well, he's thinking about going to Whitehaven Beach.
Well, he's thinking about going to Whitehaven Beach.
Is he thinking about going to Mount Everest?
Is he thinking about going to Mount Everest?
No, he's not thinking about going to Mount Everest.
No, he's not thinking about going to Mount Everest.
Where is he thinking about going?
Where is he thinking about going?
He's thinking about going to Whitehaven Beach.
He's thinking about going to Whitehaven Beach.
Does he think the beach is ugly?
Does he think the beach is ugly?
No, of course not. He doesn't think the beach is ugly.
No, of course not. He doesn't think the beach is ugly.
Does he think the beach is dirty?
Does he think the beach is dirty?
No, he doesn't think the beach is dirty.
No, he doesn't think the beach is dirty.
What does he think about the beach?
What does he think about the beach?
He thinks the beach is really beautiful.
He thinks the beach is
really
beautiful.
Does he think the beach is really ugly or really beautiful?
Does he think the beach is really ugly or really beautiful?
He thinks the beach is really beautiful.
He thinks the beach is really beautiful.
Is he going to ask his boss for a raise?
Is he going to ask his boss for a raise?
No, he's not going to ask his boss for a raise.
No, he's not going to ask his boss for a raise.
What is he going to do?
What is he going to do?
He's going to ask his boss for some vacation time.
He's going to ask his boss for some vacation time.
Is Chris talking to his mother?
Is Chris talking to his mother?
No, Chris isn't talking to his mother.
No, Chris is not talking to his mother.
His father?
He's talking to his father.
No, he's not talking to his father either.
No, he's not talking to his father either.
Who is he talking to?
Who is he talking to?
He's talking to his boss.
He's talking to his boss.
Telling his boss that he needs a raise?
Is he talking to his boss that he needs a raise?
No, he's not telling his boss that he needs a raise.
No, he's not telling his boss that he needs a raise.
Is he telling his boss that he needs an assistant?
Is he telling his boss that he needs an assistant?
No, he's not telling his boss that he needs an assistant.
No, he's not telling his boss that he needs assistant.
What is he telling his boss?
What is he telling his boss?
He's telling his boss that he needs some vacation time.
He's telling his boss that he needs some vacation time.
What does Chris have to do to get some vacation time?
What does Chris have to do to get some vacation time?
Well, to get some vacation time, he has to get all his work done today.
Well, to get some vacation time, he has to get all his work done today.
Does he have to get all his work done tomorrow?
Does he have to get all his work done tomorrow?
No, he has to get all his work done sooner than that.
No, he has to get all his work done sooner than that.
When does he have to get all his work done?
What does he have to get all his work done?
He has to get all his work done today.
He has to get all his work done today.
Is it now lunchtime?
Is it now lunchtime?
Yes, it is now lunchtime.
Yes, it is now lunchtime.
Is Chris having lunch?
Is Chris having lunch?
No, Chris is not having lunch.
No, Chris is not having lunch.
Is he trying to get some sleep?
Is he trying to get some sleep?
No, he's not trying to get some sleep.
No, he's not trying to get some sleep.
What is he trying to do?
What is he trying to do?
Well, he's trying to get all his work done.
Well, he's trying to get all his work done.
Is he trying to get all his work done so that he can go to Mount Everest?
Is he trying to get on his foot dance so that he can go to Mount Everest?
No, that's not the reason he's trying to get all his work done.
No, that's not his reason. He's trying to get on his foot done.
Is he trying to get all his work done so that he can go to Whitehaven Beach?
Is he trying to get on his foot done so that he can go to Whitehaven Beach?
Yes, that's exactly right. He's trying to get all his work done so that he can go to Whitehaven Beach.
Yes, that's exactly right. He's trying to get on his foot done so that he can go to Whitehaven Beach.
Is he trying to get all his work done so that he'll get a promotion?
He's trying to get on his foot done so that he'll get a promotion.
No, that's not the reason he's trying to get all his work done.
No, that's not the reason he's trying to get on his foot done.
What is he trying to get all his work done?
Why isn't he trying to get on his foot done?
He's trying to get all his work done so that he can go to Whitehaven Beach.
He's trying to get on his foot done so that he can go to Whitehaven Beach.
Is Chris having lunch?
Is Chris having lunch?
No, he's not. Chris is not having lunch.
No, he's not. Chris is not having lunch.
Why isn't he having lunch?
Why isn't he having lunch?
Well, he's not having lunch because he's trying to get all his work done.
Well, he's not having lunch because he's trying to get on his foot done.
Is he not having lunch because he's not hungry?
He's not having lunch because he's not hungry?
No, that's not the reason he's not having lunch.
No, that's not the reason he's not having lunch.
Is he not having lunch because he's trying to lose weight?
Is he not having lunch because he's trying to lose weight?
No, that's not the reason he's not having lunch either.
No, that's not the reason he's not having lunch either.
Why isn't he having lunch?
Why isn't he having lunch?
He's not having lunch because he's trying to get all his work done.
He's not having lunch because he's trying to get on his foot done.
Is Chris still working at the office?
Is Chris still working in the office?
No, Chris is no longer working at the office.
No, Chris is no longer working at the office.
Is he now enjoying his vacation at the beach?
Is he now enjoying his vacation at the beach?
Yes, that's right. He's now enjoying his vacation at the beach.
Yes, that's right. He's now enjoying his vacation at the beach.